When you're building a small business online, one of the big decisions is how to guide your visitors toward action, whether that's signing up, purchasing, or engaging with your brand. Two popular funnel builders that come up a lot are ClickFunnels and Systeme.io. Both aim to simplify funnel creation and sales workflows for businesses that don't have big technical teams, but they present different strengths and trade-offs. Let's start with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has built a strong reputation as a do-it-all funnel system. You'll find pre-built templates for landing pages, checkout flows, membership sites, one-click upsells, and more. For many small businesses, this means you don't need to hire a designer or developer to get a working funnel in place. Just pick a template, plug in your offer, publish, test. ClickFunnels also offers integrations with email services, payment processors, affiliate programs, and webinar platforms, which is helpful if you're building a more complex sales machine. On the downside, this power comes at a price. The monthly cost is relatively high compared to simpler tools, and because there are so many features, the learning curve is steeper. If you don't plan to use the advanced features, you might end up paying for capabilities you never use. Now let's look at Systeme.io. Systeme.io positions itself more as an all-in-one marketing platform for small businesses and solopreneurs. You get funnel builder features like landing pages and checkout flows, but also email marketing, automation, affiliate management, and membership sites, all within a simpler interface and more affordable pricing. For many small businesses who are starting out and need one tool rather than five, Systeme.io can feel like better value. The trade-off is that while the feature set is broad, some features may not be as deep or mature as what you'll find in a specialist tool like ClickFunnels. Also, if you're scaling quickly and want advanced customizations, you might hit limits sooner. In conclusion, if your business is ready for advanced funnels and you're willing to invest in tooling and optimization, ClickFunnels is a robust choice. If your business is starting out, you want simplicity and affordability, and you want a central platform for funnels plus email and automation, Systeme.io could be the better match. Choose the one that supports your next 12 to 24 months of growth, not just your current need. Either way, a funnel builder is only useful if you commit to using it consistently and iterating your funnel based on results. Pick your tool, set your plan, and focus on serving your customers.